Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What's up, man? Man, chill. I ain't doing nothing, man. I ain't doing nothing. Chill, man. I ain't. Hey, man. I ain't. Chill, man. I ain't no problem. No problem. No problem. Hey, man. Hey, chill. Chill, bro. No problem. No problem. No problem. No problem, man.
You're gonna get killed.
Hey, man. Chill. Hey, you need a ride home?
No, I don't.
You good? You good? All right, man.
You wanna get killed?
Hey, man. Chill.
You wanna get killed?
Chill. Nobody's trying to get killed, bro. Hey, man. Take care, man. Drive safe, bro. I don't want to, bro. I don't want to hit you, man. I can't. Bro, no problems, man. Man, no problems. No problems, bro.
I got shooters ready to go.
Hey, man, no problems with me. No problems with me, no problems with you. We're cool. We're cool.
I got shooters ready.
Hey, man, I don't want no problems, man.
Go.
Drive safe, bro. Take care.
Go.
And by that, I mean the government.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
Wow.
I don't think we.
Don't you love that?
I know.
You're in the bike lane.
Stuff like screw Texas, you know, them Texans, blah blah blah, and it's like we want to make very clear on this show that we love, especially everybody on the left. But it's like, those are the good guys, and then the red states are the bad. It's like, okay, yes, the people in government, people.
Hey, that's a bike lane you're parked in. That doesn't mean you can park wherever you want. It is my business. Wrong way.
Alright, then, I'm starting.
Alright, I wish you luck. Oh my god. Bro, what the? What's up? There is a I have a dash cam done. Try it.
The example of a teacher, Joe, and then all of a sudden you bought like a vacation home and you're taking the, you know, what did you do this summer? Well, we took the family to the state park and we camped. And they're like, Joe, what did you do? I went to Brazil and bought some rainforest.
Somebody texted and said that I think that you can like create an LLC or a trust or something.
Yeah, as long as you don't, you can't sign that ticket. That was what I read. You're supposed to sign it right away. If you want to create an LLC with like lawyers and money manager, don't sign it. No.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.